The ART RopeGuide combines cutting-edge development, integrated safety features and innovative design into a device that operates as a cambium saver for the tree and a friction saver for the climber. The RopeGuide is the ultimate low-friction anchor point for a diverse range of tree climbing applications. This device can be installed as a primary anchor, both at a branch union within the crown or choked on vertical timber. A unique feature of the RopeGuide is its exclusive camming action, which allows for smooth and easy retrieval even when the device is set tight against a stem. Another unique feature is the incorporation of an energy-absorbing lanyard that protects the climber and the tying point in the event of a fall. Easily adjusted even after heavy loading, the low kink, wide contact surface offers outstanding abrasion resistance. The RopeGuide has a continuously adjustable length and is available with a 1.5 or 3 metre strop. Combined with the double snapper, another ART product, the RopeGuide can be safely retrieved from the ground, eliminating uncontrolled falls. The ART RopeGuide offers both form and function, providing climbers with greater control of movement throughout the tree canopy. ART, for the art of tree climbing.
Unlike many of ART's other multifunctional products, the RopeGuide is designed to do one simple thing very, very well. Designed to be used as an anchor point in a running doubled rope system, the ART RopeGuide 2010 combines a range of advanced features in a very simple to use package. Here I've got the 1.5 meter RopeGuide with the Cocoon 3 pulley. As you can see, it's very quick and easy to install. I simply pass it over the union, put the cocoon through the ring and install my line through the pulley. That's all connected up. The trapeze, another recent ART innovation, is that quick and easy to install. That's my system set up and ready to go. Removing the RopeGuide is just as quick and easy. Simply disconnect the carabiner from the splice, pull on the tail, the bubble will pass through the pulley and catch on the trapeze, activating the cam and removing the RopeGuide. It's that straightforward. The ART RopeGuide 2010 combines the full suite of ART innovation in one simple to use package. To start with, ART's patented camming action. That's the same cam that's in the spider jack and the lock jack, and for one thing, it makes adjusting the length of the device very easy. It also means that I can install the device in a union well above me. All I need to do is attach like normal, and then I can pull on the tail of the device to tow my high point into position. However, the main benefit is that it allows the RopeGuide to be installed choked tight on vertical timber. Get myself attached and make sure it's choked up tight against the stem. As you can see, I've picked a section of stem here where there are no stubs, knots, burls, anything like that to sit the RopeGuide on. And yet it holds me perfectly well. This means that RopeGuide users are no longer tied in to choosing the best union available. You can set your high point wherever you need. And of course, because of that camming action, when it comes time to retrieve, the trapeze activates the cam and the device will slide away from the stem until there's enough free space for the pulley to pass out through the ring. Really simple and easy to use. Another ART innovation that's unique to the RopeGuide is the energy absorbing lanyard. that's cleverly built in to the retrieval strap. It's something I can set up as normal and I need never think about. Unless at any point I take a fall sufficient to activate this, the tearaway strap will detach from the trapeze and absorb the energy of my form. The Cocoon 3 is another recent ART innovation. It features a wider diameter sheave, so the climber will experience less friction as he moves around the tree. So why all the fuss about low friction at the high point? To see the difference between ART's low friction climbing solutions and the old school method of doing it, let me introduce an old school climber. We'll call him Graham. Let's follow Graham to his tree and watch him go up. Take a look at our man now. Graham seems like he's working pretty hard. But there are some things going on here that might not be apparent at first. For one thing, the friction isn't always his enemy.
Flipping heck.
As Graham pulls in slack to gain height, he has to work against the friction of the branch over which his rope is running. However, during his next action, which is holding himself in place with one hand whilst using the other to advance his prusik, the friction of his rope over the branch is actually helping Graham. As you can see, whilst holding himself in place with one hand, the high coefficient of friction caused by the large contact area of the rope and the branch helps Graham to hold his position. Unfortunately, when he pulls in more slack, the friction is again working against him. The friction at the high point also comes into play as the climber descends or moves about in the tree. Here's Graham on his way down.
Almost there now.
As you can see, Graham's movement is limited by the friction at his high point. Imagine a graph showing the friction in the climbing system plotted against the speed of a climber's descent. As there is always going to be a certain minimum level of friction in Graham's system, caused by the rope rubbing against the branch, his speed and movement are always going to be limited.
Check me out, I'm just like that bloke in Spider What's It video.
With the ART rope guide, much of this friction is eliminated. When combined with ART's advanced friction control devices, such as the Spider Jack and Lock Jack, the climber is given an unprecedented level of control over the amount of friction in the system, allowing rapid and easy movement through the canopy and fast long-range descents. The ART rope guide also partners well with the Spider Jack and Lock Jack during ascents. The legendary self-tending function of both devices means that climbers need never stop and hold their weight to advance a prusik. Doubled rope technique at its fastest and most efficient.
The ART rope guide offers both form and function, providing climbers with greater control of movement throughout the tree canopy. ART, for the art of tree climbing.